So Representative Camilleri, please proceed with your question.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Giuliani, before you began...
I'm going to gavel this. The question is for the witness. As I told you at the end, you're able to ask a question to Mr. Giuliani.
So we have three people actually before our panel today. And each of them is before our panel. And I know that you gave your power away to Mr. Giuliani to ask questions during this part of the testimony. That's fine. But it is now my right as a representative to ask a question of the people before our committee. This is not for this is not
out of order.
This is not Four Seasons Landscaping. This is a committee of the state legislature. I should have a right to ask a question of who is before us.
I will allow you to ask a question at the end of Mr. Giuliani, as I stated at the beginning. If you have a question for the witness, Ms. Jacob, please ask it. If you don't, then I'm going to move on.
Ms. Jacobs, I know that you've given testimony previously. We've heard your story in the media. I know that you gave testimony yesterday as well. Judge Kenny in Wayne County Circuit Court.
May I ask?
He did not give testimony yesterday.
I apologize.
Okay, Representative, please tell us your question.
Very misleading.
You've asked a lot of misleading questions yourself, Mr. Giuliani.
Representative Camilleri, please, what is your question?
My question, Ms. Jacobs, is Judge Kenny has ruled that your testimony in court is incorrect and not credible. So why should we believe anything that you said here today?
I'm not aware of any such ruling. She's never been a witness in court. It would have been impossible for a judge to
Your affidavit was ruled
May I please finish?
incorrect and not credible.
May I have the courtesy of finishing?
No.
What?
She has never been a witness in court, so no judge could ever have assessed her credibility.
What is your question, Mr. Camilleri?
Why are we listening to your story here today if it has already been ruled incorrect and not credible by a judge in court?
It has not been ruled.
It has. Well,
Okay.
This is not a courtroom, Mr.
Representative,
Giuliani. This is a committee. Why do you keep objecting to what I'm saying here?
Representative, is there an answer to that?
Okay, you can go and ask the judge who denied that. Okay, I don't know anything about it.
Okay, thank you. We're going to move on. Vice Chair.